ChatGPT and HVAC SEO. Hello there. I hope you are winning. Today I want to talk about using ChatGPT for HVAC SEO. I will do this in a series of videos. As you already know, HVAC SEO is a broad process. This is part 1 of a series of videos. I have added links in the description for the other parts of the video tutorial. Part 1, Using ChatGPT to create valuable HVAC blogs. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and like button to keep us motivated to bring you the best tips and tricks about content marketing. Step 1, create a ChatGPT account. The first step to using ChatGPT for your HVAC SEO is to create an account. Simply visit the ChatGPT website and follow the prompts to create a new account. You'll need to provide some basic information, such as your name and email address, to get started. Step 2, generate long-tail keywords. Now that you have your ChatGPT account set up, it's time to start generating some long-tail keywords. These are specific, highly targeted phrases that people might use when searching for HVAC services online. To generate long-tail keywords, simply type your prompt "Generate 5 long-tail keywords related to furnace repair in Austin, Texas," into the ChatGPT search bar and hit enter. ChatGPT will then generate a list of related keywords that you can use in your SEO efforts. Pick your preferred keyword to write about it. You can run it on any keyword tool to check volume, difficulty, and secondary queries to know the type of content needed to rank. You can go a step further by asking ChatGPT to return keywords that have informational intent only. Commercial intent keywords are better for services pages and website content in general. You can watch more about creating website content using ChatGPT in our next video. The link will be available in the description. Step 3, generate suitable titles. Once you have your list of long-tail keywords, it's time to start generating some suitable titles for your HVAC-related content. To generate suitable titles, simply type your prompt, "Generate X SEO titles for a blog post about furnace maintenance schedule." ChatGPT will generate a list of potential titles for you to choose from. You can input keywords instead of a one keyword if you are looking for topic ideas. ChatGPT makes this process easy by offering a variety of different title options based on your keywords. Simply select the titles that you think would be most effective for your content. Step 4, generate an outline. Now that you have your titles, it's time to create an outline for your content. This will help you organize your thoughts and ensure that your content flows smoothly. To generate an outline for the blog, simply type your prompt "Generate an outline" into the ChatGPT search bar and hit enter. To generate even better outlines, simply enter your main points and subpoints that you'd like to include. ChatGPT will then generate a detailed outline for you to follow as you write your content. You can assist ChatGPT with more outline ideas, such as frequently asked questions related to the heading or keyword. Step 5, generate a draft blog. With your outline in place, you're ready to start writing your draft blog. To generate a draft blog, simply type your prompt "Generate an SEO blog post." Make it 1,000 words. Use the subheadings suggested in the outline into the ChatGPT search bar and hit enter. To generate even better drafts, simply enter your main points, potential subheadings, intent, concerns and sub-points that you'd like to include. Simply follow the prompts in ChatGPT and enter your information as requested. ChatGPT will use your outline and keywords to generate a rough draft of your blog post, which you can then review and edit as needed. Step 6, proofread and edit. Before you publish your blog post, it's important to proofread and edit your content to ensure that it's error-free and reads well. ChatGPT has a built-in proofreading tool that can help you catch any mistakes or typos, but it's always a good idea to have someone else read through your content as well. You have to improve the content, too. Add images, embed videos, add internal and external links, examples, illustrations, add anything else that can make a blog worth reading. Customize the blog for your audience, reading level, and buyer journey. Step 7. Generate meta descriptions. A meta description is a short summary of your blog post that appears in search engine results. It's an important part of your SEO strategy, as it helps people decide whether or not to click on your link. To generate meta descriptions for the blog, simply type your prompt "generate a 150-character meta description for the blog post" into the ChatGPT search bar and hit enter. ChatGPT will then generate a meta description for you to use. Step 8. Create image tags. Including images in your blog post can make it more visually appealing and help break up long blocks of text. To ensure that your images are optimized for SEO, it's important to use image tags. To create image tags, simply follow the prompts in ChatGPT and enter the relevant information, such as the file name and alt text. ChatGPT will then generate image tags for you to use. I hope this YouTube video script helps you create a helpful and informative video on how to use ChatGPT for HVAC SEO. Good luck with your content creation. If you liked this video, hit the like and subscribe button. You can also click on the bell so that you can be notified every time we release amazing content about HVAC marketing and content marketing in general.